Welcome back to Unscrew English. If you're new to the channel, then welcome to Unscrew English. इस चैनल पे हम लोग कुछ बहुत एडवांस्ड इंग्लिश वोकैबुलरी डिस्कस करते हैं. We look at pronunciation and grammar mistakes as well. So if you want to improve your English, then don't forget to subscribe. आज के इस वीडियो में हम कुछ ऐसे idioms डिस्कस करेंगे जो बहुत ज़्यादा मॉडर्न है. आज के ज़माने में बहुत फिट होते हैं ये सारे idioms. And we learn these with none other than Priyanka Chopra. We all know she has impeccable command of the language. She articulates her thoughts really well using advanced English vocabulary. और ऐसे ही कुछ 10 idioms आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे. So let's get started.
I may have judged the book by the cover.
To judge a book by its cover. This idiom means to judge a person on the basis of their looks and appearance. जब हम किसी को उनके लुक्स पे, उनके क्लोथ्स पे, उनके अपीयरेंस पे जज करते हैं, दैट इज व्हेन वी कैन यूज दिस इडियम. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड इट विद एन एग्जांपल. एक लड़की अगर सूट पहन के बाहर निकले, वील कॉल हर ट्रेडिशनल. बट अगर वही लड़की शॉर्ट स्कर्ट पहन के निकले, वील कॉल हर टू मॉडर्न. सो हियर वी आर जजिंग अ बुक बाय इट्स कवर. We are judging a person on the basis of their looks and appearance.
So I think it's very important for us to raise bold girls, for us to raise girls that push the envelope.
To push the envelope. This idiom means to break the rules and do something that is not generally accepted in the society. इसका मतलब है कोई ऐसी चीज करना जो सोसाइटी में एक्सेप्टेड नहीं है, सोसाइटी के नॉर्म्स को फॉलो नहीं करता. सोसाइटी में एक नॉर्म है कि 30 इयर्स से पहले शादी कर लेनी चाहिए. But in today's world, people want to be financially independent before they get married. तो वो 30 के बाद ही शादी कर रहे हैं. So here we can say women are pushing the envelope by choosing financial independence over marriage.
Ooh, I think I may have bitten off more than I can chew.
To bite off more than you can chew. This idiom means to take up so many tasks together, to do multiple things at the same time. जब आप बहुत सारे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज अपने ऊपर ले लेते हो एंड यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग स्ट्रेस्ड और ओवरवेल्म्ड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, प्रिया इज गेटिंग मैरिड, starting her own business and pursuing an MBA. She has bitten off more than she can chew. इसका मतलब है कि प्रिया इतनी सारी चीजें एक साथ करने की कोशिश कर रही है that she is very stressed and she is overwhelmed.
I used to, when I was younger as well, totally think that, because I've burnt the candle on both ends, now I deserve this success.
To burn the candle at both ends. This idiom means to work extremely hard. To wake up early in the morning, to work, and then work till late in the night. जब आप सुबह उठते ही काम करने लग जाते हो और रात में लेट तक काम करते हो, that is when we can use this idiom. For example, he has been burning the candle at both ends lately. He wakes up early in the morning, goes to work, and then studies till late in the night. मतलब वो इतना काम कर रहा है, सुबह शाम रात बस काम काम काम.
And we don't have to all be finished and tied up in a neat little bow.
To put a bow on something. This idiom means to complete or finish something perfectly. जब आप कोई चीज को एकदम perfectly खत्म करते हो, that is when we can use this idiom. For example, after the construction of the house, the addition of pool put a bow on it. इसका मतलब है कि कंस्ट्रक्शन होने के बाद जब पूल ऐड हुआ तो उनका जो ड्रीम हाउस है वो एकदम परफेक्ट लग रहा था.
I think my mom walking me down the aisle was a really big moment. When I asked her if she would, she was a little hesitant because she was like, that's something your dad would have done and I can't step into his shoes.
To step into someone's shoes. This idiom means to do somebody else's job or task. आजकल हम देखते हैं everybody keeps on saying, I think this has been going on for a very long time, but people often say, housewives करते क्या हैं? घर पे बैठती हैं, एसी में बैठती हैं, सोती रहती हैं, कुछ काम थोड़ी होता है. Well, why don't you step into their shoes before passing any judgment?
I actually was quiet for a couple of days because I had a sense of shock that it was so vile, so racist, and so public. It threw me for a spin a little bit.
To be thrown into a spin. This idiom means to become worried, confused or panicked. जब आप बहुत ज़्यादा confused हो जाओ किसी वजह से, पैनिक करने लगो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपकी शादी है और केटरर ने एंड मोमेंट पे कैंसिल कर दिया. You'll start panicking. So here we can say the bride was thrown into a spin when the caterer cancelled at the last moment.
I was so busy running. Again, super grateful for my career and won't change anything that I did. But I wish that I had taken some time to smell the roses. Like,
To stop and smell the roses. This idiom means to enjoy little things in life. हम इतना परेशान रहते हैं अपने काम को लेके, फैमिली ड्यूटीज को लेके, that we forget to enjoy our lives. We forget to look at the little joys that are there. तो अब इसको इंग्लिश में कैसे कहेंगे? We can say between official deadlines and family duties, don't forget to pause, sip your tea and smell the roses.
you have a sense of safety too, because you're like, okay, we're in the same place, we're in the same boat together.
To be in the same boat. This idiom means to face similar challenges. जब दो लोग सेम ही प्रॉब्लम्स और सेम ही चैलेंजेस से गो थ्रू कर रहे होते हैं, that is when we can use this idiom. For example, आजकल का जो यूथ है, they are going through the same problems, they have the same issues, they do not want to get married, they want to have financial independence. तो हम सब ही सेम बोट में हैं. इसको इंग्लिश में हम कह सकते हैं, all of the youth is in the same boat. They either don't want to get married or are running after financial independence.
Oh my gosh, this is going to be a massive failure. And, I'm going to have my tail tucked between my legs. And
To have your tail tucked between your legs. This idiom means to feel ashamed or embarrassed because of a mistake or a failure. जब आप फेल हो जाते हो या कोई मिस्टेक कर देते हो और आपको बहुत embarrassed फील होता है, that is when you can use this idiom. Imagine there is a match between two teams. एक टीम बहुत ज़्यादा ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट है, they are bragging कि उनसे बेटर तो कोई है ही नहीं and they will win the competition. But at the end they lose. तो उनको बहुत embarrassed फील होगा, उनको बहुत ashamed फील होगा. So here we can say the losing team went with their tails tucked between their legs. This brings us to the end of this video. ये सारे ही idioms ऐसे हैं जो आज के modern world में बहुत ज़्यादा fit होते हैं. If you like the video, then please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to form sentences with these idioms and leave it in the comments below. क्योंकि जब तक आप इनको प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे, जब तक आप इनके साथ सेंटेंसेस फॉर्म नहीं करोगे, you will not be able to inculcate them into your vocabulary. Keep unscrewing English with me. I'll see you in the next video.